बुधवारा क्वार्टर फायनलींत स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दे गोवाक मुंबई FC आड ड्रॉ सुद्दां जाल्यार फेडरेशन कप सेमीफायनलीचें दार उगडें. मुंबय जाल्ले पयले फेरयेंत स्पोर्टिंग क्लब एका गोलान जिखिल्ले. फाल्यां स्पोर्टिंग फातोड्डे खेळटा.
आयतारा मुंबय एफसीचे घरचे मैदानार जाल्ले क्वार्टर फायनलीचे पयले रावंडांत स्पोर्टिंग क्लबान 1 गोलान जैत जोडिल्लें. आतां घरच्या मैदानार स्पोर्टिंग क्लबाक ड्रॉ पुरो जातली. पूण मॅथ्यू कॉस्टाची टीम बरो फुटबॉल करपाक पुराय यत्न करतली हातूंत दुबाव ना.
See that when you play this sort of tournaments, it's always difficult. Yeah, we got an away goal, but that doesn't count. This is a new game, new day, so we have to be extra cautious. We have to keep our best foot forward tomorrow, just to overcome this. And with due respect to my colleague here, so we are focusing on just to advance in the Federation Cup. No injuries, no suspensions. Yeah, we are having this also.
Any injuries, any changes on plan?
Yeah, injuries there. We have maybe Ritesh is not there. Anwar will be back. Yes.
So, Rafa wouldn't play any part in the Federation Cup because of his injury?
Odafa is ready, man. But Odafa was ready. But we didn't want to risk him, because he was ready. It's not a big injury. It's not a major injury. So we wanted some new guys to just fill in, because Didi, who has been replaced Odafa, played for the whole Pro League and he was doing very good. So we just thought of him, this was the best chance for him at the end of the season to just prove himself so that he can be there for the next year.
Are you happy with the way he played?
Yeah, he was just introduced for the 5 end of the match, and I think he had a hand in the goal also. So happy for him.
Matthew, you all were kind of mounting a title challenge in the I-League, but in the end, I think there were 7 draws that hurt you.
Yeah.
Is this a tournament that if you win, you would say you had a satisfying season?
Yes, man. Every club needs some silverware in their pocket, So for the last few years, we have not been getting that. So hopefully, this is the best chance what we are having.
खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.
हे खबरां चित्रांगात सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.